What do you usually do with an old knife? Throw it away or try to restore it? Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to restore this old knife and bring it back to useful condition. Stay with me to the end of the video and see how sharp it can become again. This knife has been in the kitchen for many years. The surface is dirty and the edge is dull. First, the blade is cleaned using Coca-Cola to remove old stains and light rust. After a few minutes, the knife already looks a little better. The metal is cleaner, but the edge is still not ready to cut. Now it is time to sharpen it the right way and see what this old knife can really do. First, place a fresh tomato on the cutting board and try a simple slice. Hold the knife steady and press down slowly. Instead of cutting clean, the blade crushes the skin and leaves a flat mark. This tells you right away the edge is too dull to work properly. Now, set the knife aside and bring out two old AA batteries. These are the kind most people keep in a drawer. Place one battery on a sheet of 320 grit sandpaper and use it as a guide. Mark the length and cut a straight strip of sandpaper in a long rectangle. The short side should match the length of the battery. When the piece is cut, check the size once more. This simple strip will become the base of the sharpening tool. Apply a thin line of super glue along one short edge of the sandpaper strip. Press the first battery onto that edge and hold it still for a few seconds. Make sure it sits straight and does not tilt. Now add a small amount of glue to the other short edge. Place the second battery there and line it up with the first one. Both batteries should face each other across the paper. Begin rolling the sandpaper slowly toward the center. Keep the rough side facing out as you roll. Stop when the two batteries meet in the middle. Hold the roll in your hand and check that it feels tight and even. When nothing moves, the sharpening drum is ready to use. Before we move on, share your city and state. It helps me make better projects for you. Place a flat wooden board on the bench and wipe the surface clean. Set the sharpening drum in the center and check the position. It should sit straight and leave space on both sides. Apply hot glue along the bottom of the drum and press it firmly onto the wood. Hold it in place until the glue sets and the base feels stable. Now, drill one screw on each side of the drum to lock it down. Tighten both screws until nothing can shift. When the tool feels solid in your hand, The base is ready for sharpening. Spray clean water along the edge of the kitchen knife. Place the blade into the narrow gap between the two batteries. Slide it through in slow, steady strokes. Keep the edge wet and the pressure light. After a few passes, wipe the blade dry and check the edge. Take the small fruit knife and wet the edge with clean water. Place it into the same gap and move it through with light. Steady strokes. Keep the motion slow and even. After a few passes, wipe the blade dry and set it aside. Tape a sheet of 1000 grit sandpaper flat onto the wooden board. Make sure the surface is tight and does not move. Spray a little water on the paper to keep it wet. Lay the kitchen knife on the paper and slide it forward in smooth strokes. Keep the angle steady and the pressure light. After several passes, wipe the blade clean and check the edge. Wet the 1000 grit sandpaper with a little clean water. Place the small fruit knife on the paper at a steady angle. Move the blade forward in slow, even strokes. Work from the base toward the tip each time. Keep the pressure light and the motion smooth. After several passes, wipe the blade dry and feel the edge with care. Apply a small amount of polishing compound to the denim cloth. Spread it into a thin, even layer. Lay the blade on the fabric at the same angle as before. Pull it back slowly from heel to tip. Do this a few times on each side. This step removes fine burrs and smooths the edge. When the blade feels clean and smooth, wipe it dry and move on. Hold a sheet of paper in one hand and bring the knife to the edge. Make one slow cut from top to bottom. The paper should split clean without tearing. This quick test shows the edge is working again. Place a fresh tomato on the cutting board and hold it steady. Set the knife on the skin and start the cut with light pressure. Let the blade move on its own without forcing it. Watch how the skin opens and the flesh slices clean. Make a few thin slices and check the surface. There should be no crushing and no tearing. When the tomato cuts this easily, the edge is sharp and ready for real kitchen work. Hold the grapefruit steady and guide the knife along the peel. The blade should glide through with almost no effort. Now this old knife is sharp again and ready for daily use. With simple tools and a little time, you built this sharpening tool yourself. If this helped you today, tap the like button. Subscribe for more practical DIY tips you can use at home.